Hello, Internet. It's 97 degrees out, the hottest day so far in 2026 here in Montana. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I am fixing my deck and making it go from looking like this, which is all rotted out, to this. Keep watching. Now, this video is part of the home improvement playlist on Scott's Garage. Everything do it yourself. Now, let's get started. So let me show you the extent of the rot so far. So all the rot is on this side of the deck. This house is about 22 years old, and this is the original decking. It was made out of pine, which was a little bit problematic. And the headers, which are, there's two boards back to back, and they are 12 inches by 14 feet. And again, they're two together and just completely rotted out. This is where the steps came down, but it's rotten up here as well. And then the joists, I don't know if they're called joists or not, but the the beams that come out from the house here, there are like 5 that have some rot on the very top. So I've come up with a solution, and I'm a do-it-yourselfer. This is first time as far as fixing a deck like this. If you are a professional and you see mistakes, feel free to comment below. But I think I have it figured out. And the first step is that I have 2 jacks here and a couple of 2x4s that I screwed together, going from one jack to the next, and it's spanning all of these underneath. And I have jacked it up on with both jacks, so it takes pressure off. And it's time now to remove the rotten header boards. Okay, my next step is to use this copper coat by Woodlife, and it's greenwood preservation. So basically, it prolongs the life of non-pressure treated wood, and you can paint it after you're done, and any end cuts and stuff. So I'm going to use it very liberally along the original rafters, or whatever they call it, joists, I guess. And I'm going to paint those, and then I cut some cedar planks here, and on there are 5 bad planks. I'm going to double up on those, and that'll be after I paint. Okay, here's the solution I came up with. So there are 5 of these rafters, for lack of a better term, that are rotten on the top, and it's really the top quadrant, maybe 7 inches deep, and this part of it, the rest of it is fine. And so I've created some cutoffs. These are 20 inches in length, the same dimension. This is cedar, and I've pre-drilled 5 half-inch holes all the way through, and I have some galvanized carriage bolts, and I'll be tapping these through. Once I drill through here, I'll use this as a guide. I'll be putting in these carriage bolts, and then the big nuts and washers and nuts on the back side, and I'm hoping that will be enough to strengthening these boards without having to rip them out.
So it should be good.
So I was going to start putting the hangers on, these double hangers for where I doubled it up, and then the single hangers on the other joists. I've decided, however, that I'm going to hang the second header first, and I'll put it on here. I'll do the same thing. I'll attach temporarily a 2x4 on top so that I can set it in place, and then I'll attach it. And when I show you the hangers, it'll make sense why I'm putting the second header on now. It's time now to put the hangers on, and these are double hangers. I'll do that for where I double up here. And I'll be using some special screws, and these are designed for hangers. In fact, they're stamped on the cap there, and I don't think I'll be inspected, but those that inspect make sure things are built correctly. You have to have the right screws for this that are rated for the hangers. So I'll be using these for these holes right here, and then for these where it basically goes in at an angle, I'm going to be switching to these screws here, and I don't know if they're rated or not, but they are decking screws, and they're long enough. They're going to go into both headers. Okay, well here it is, the finished repair of this existing deck. In upcoming videos, I'll be outside here for a while. I'll be stripping and sanding and restoring the rest of the wood on the deck. We're also going to be adding on to this deck, including a sunken-in hot tub. If you got any value at all from this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing. If you're not subscribed to Scott's Garage, everything do-it-yourself, please subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Okay, well that's it for the structural repair of the deck. In upcoming videos, I'll be putting the steps back in right here. Another video, I will be sanding and stripping and resealing the rest of the wood on the deck. And then in upcoming videos, I'll be expanding the deck and even adding a sunken hot tub. If you got any value at all from this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. If you're not subscribed to Scott's Garage, everything do-it-yourself, please subscribe. We will see you in the next video.